Hey guys, Talibas is back with some latest updates of the most entertaining show Diyar Pati Hum. Get ready for some rivalry drama between the two brothers on the show. While on one hand, Sandhya will be trying her best to melt Babu's heart, on the other there will erupt a fight between the brothers over a shop that threatens to completely divide the family. In the coming episodes, Sandhya will keep some cans of ghee on the terrace which will get spilled on the lanes of their neighborhood, making the issue a joke among all the women around. When Suraj will rush to sympathize with Sandhya, she will happily inform him that it was all a trick to get Babu accept them back again. Meanwhile, on the other hand, Vikram will approach Suraj to help him get a new shop while Emily will approach Babu for the same purpose. Both the parties will head towards the broker who promises to get them a shop. However, the brothers will not know that the broker would plan to do both and make headway. According to Abadi, the broker will fix the deal with both parties, assuring them of the possession of the shop soon. One day the two will come face to face outside the broker's shop. When Vikram and Mohit will come to know that both of them were eyeing the same shop, they will get into a fight accusing each other of spoiling each other's plans. The huge chaos on the street will be witnessed by the whole neighborhood, much to Babu and her family's embarrassment. So what will happen next? To know it all, hit the like button and leave your comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Telebuzz for more daily television updates.